Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trader Techie, and this video will go through the trading on trend lines, how to draw effectively the trend lines on chart, on candlestick pattern, and based on uh, uh, the trend lines, how to take a trade in the downwards or in upward trending stocks. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please share with your friends. Now let's get started. So we'll see how this trend line strategy works. So you know already that this trend line is basically acts as a support and resistance. So suppose a stock is moving in a particular direction. Suppose a stock is moving in a particular direction. Okay, so if the stock is moving in this way, and if you would like to have a trade in this stock, so how do you do that? So what you do first initially, you uh, mark its high, and you mark its low. And you mark its low. So you see that stock is in upward direction. So if you are sitting as a seller, or if you think you are a seller, and stock is moving in upward direction, and then you have to wait for your opportunity. You have to wait until the stock broke this trend line. So suppose from here, if this trend line is coming or breaking this level, if I try to draw this, suppose if you think that the trend line is broken here, this is when you trade the stock. This is when you enter into the trade, because this acts as a support. All these things, these things acts as a support, and this acts as a resistance. So whenever, if you see, whenever the stock moved from position A to B, I think this makes A and this makes B. So whenever it moved from A to B, it always find the rejection at this level. The rejection is this level, the rejection is this level, and every time at the lows, it finds the support at the trend line. So you wait for the opportunity where it breaks the trend line, and then you take a trade. So this is at the sell side. Similarly, on the if you want to buy, I'll just delete this. If the stock is moving in a downward direction like this, so what you do, you first mark its highs and lows. So what I'll just do, I'll mark the high. So drawing trend line is actually connecting maximum number of touch points on the highs and maximum number of touch points on the lows. So this is basically now downward direction trend. So these are its highs, and these are the low points. Maybe here. Okay, so every time you see at this level, it just rejected from that price. Every time it went to this trend line, it got the rejection. So every time it made low on this, so the price has pushed upper. Every time it came to here, the price has moved upper. So what you have to do, since if the trend is a downward, so you have to see if the downward trend is broken. That means you have to wait for this to break this trend line. So once it broke the trend line, you have to take a strategy. You have to take, once it broke the trend line, you have to take a trade here. So you have to make a buy position, and taking this as your support. So this is how a trend line strategy works. It's basically finding the support and resistance, and if support or resistance breaks, then only you have to enter the trade. You don't enter the trade just blindly. You have to wait for your opportunity, and then based on the resistance and the support, if either of it breaks, then only you enter a trade in a buy or a sell opportunity. So we'll directly go on to the charts to explain this. I've opened the Nifty chart, and currently I'm on 1-day timeline, and as you can see, the Nifty 50 chart is currently in upward direction. So if I simply draw a trend line here, this is how it looks as of now. A trend line is something where you try to connect the lows of the chart and try to connect the highs. So in this way, you will try to get the direction of the chart. Say suppose the market went to this level, came back and went to this level and came back. So this is how you can understand how the stock or a particular index is moving. So this is a level from where it is getting rejected, and this is a support level where every time it comes here, it is getting the support and it is moving up. So if you see here, as of now, Nifty is standing at 10,930 position. So this is how you draw trend line. So trend line basically helps you to understand if any trend reversal is happening or if any breakouts are there, or where is the support, where is the resistance of a stock or index, and based on that you can trade. So I'll move on to my strategy. My strategy is on a 1 minute time frame. So I'll quickly remove this and I will go to 1 minute. So currently I'm in 1 minute time frame, and if you look at this on date July 15th, the market has opened a gap up from 10,600 to almost 10,700. So if you're looking in terms of selling, you have to always look for price action, or see if somewhere a trend is breaking or it's reversing, if the chart is reversing. So if I put in 1 minute, so if I try to draw a trend line, if you see these are the lower lows. If you see, if I can draw a trend line here from here to here. See, every time it took a support at this level and it bounced back. It never came below this trend line. So if you observe this level, from this level it broke this trend line, it came back. So how do you trade this? So you wait for price action, and you wait for price to break this level, and once it broke this level, you have to sell at this level where it is, where the candle low is broken. So if I mark this, so this is where, if you see this is where the candle, this, if you mark this candle where it broke this, so at this candle high you have to sell the Nifty 50, and this should be the stop loss, and this high should be the stop loss. This is how to trade in Nifty strategy. So you have to keep observing these patterns and draw a trend line. If you come to 13 July, so every day you will find this trend lines and patterns. So if you have to identify, so if I look at 13 July, you see again market has opened gap up, and if I draw something like this here, see it came to this level. This was acting like a support. If you see from morning, so from here it opened up and it took a support on this level, and every time it took a support on the trend line, and from here it could broke this trend line, and it went all the way to 820, 10,825 and 820. So if you would like to trade it here, you have to wait for a particular strategy, and you have to sell it at this level. This is how the trend line works. You mark those support and resistance areas, and based on that you have to trade. So if you have sold this one lot of Nifty, that is 75 quantity, I think you would have made a profit of around 50 points. That means around 3,000, and you would, the stop loss would be almost on 2,000 level. So that's a good risk reward ratio also. So every day you have to find out these support and resistance levels. So if I come to a previous day, uh, 14, 10th of July. See here, this is from here, market is all the way coming down. So if you see here, every time it came to this level, it was acting like a resistance. But at this level, the resistance just broke. Okay, so if you would like to trade here, you have to put a line over here on a candle which broke its trend line, and then so you have to buy this index. You have to buy this Nifty 50. You have to buy this at 10,750, maybe 750 level, keeping stop loss at 10,720. So if you have made this a very huge money, because it went to all the way to 10,800, almost 50-60 points you would have captured here. So if you come to 8th of July, if you see this, if I try to draw a trend line over here and try to connect to maximum points, so this is a classical head and shoulder pattern. When this is a shoulder, this big thing is the head, and this is your one more neck, so one more shoulder, sorry. So once it broke here, so you have to take a trade and then sell Nifty 10,800. You can take a put here in terms of options, and or you can take a future trade as well. So if I got a good money, it's almost captured 10,702, almost captured 100 points over here. So you have to identify these positions always, the patterns which it creates. So this is how you trade in Nifty 1 minute strategy. I think that's it with respect to this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So we'll meet in the next learning video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.